Next, we're going to talk about Rond de Jambe par terre, demi-ronde, and Rond de Jambe par terre. And we're going to talk about understanding of en dehors and en dedans. Now, first I'm going to explain what en dehors is. So when the arm is opening, that's your en dehors. Like think of as opening the door. So when you walk in and you open the door and you go in, that's your en dehors. En dedans, think of as closing the door. Okay, so watch with arms, because the arms actually do that as well too. So we go preparation, we go one, so the arms is doing en dehors position. Now if your arm goes inside, that's en dedans position, he opens here. Okay, so en dehors and en dedans. So we're going to do preparation right now for Rond de Jambe par terre. So the preparation of Rond de Jambe par terre is going to be in first position. I know, some of you is doing in fifth, but in Vaganova we do in the first position. Very important, again, keeping all those muscles rotating, yeah, squeezing that butt by rotating, not tensing it. Everything has to be rotating, not tensing. Shoulders down, ribs in, not pronating your feet, and we're gonna go E1, allongé, E goes 2, E head, and opens together. Now, very important, when you go first position close, you go plié and go plié. And when you open, keep that left knee open. Don't bring that knee forward, yes? Keep it open and keep that right hip back. So go demi-plié as much as low as possible so that heel is there and your hip has to be shifted on your supporting leg, not here. So you have to stay on a supporting leg, and you open E to the side, 1. Okay, shoulders, elbows. Okay, again, battement tendu to the side, and we start the Rond de Jambe. The head is gonna actually, the head used to be actually to the straight, now the head is actually to the side. We're gonna keep the head to the side as we shifted and we changed. And leg is gonna go rond to the back, go through the first position where we learn, and battement tendu forward, and rond to the side, and back through the first position. Very important, and it's very, very hard. When you guys go into the first position and you go to the side, maybe you did this pretty good. When you go back, do not try to force it or move the right knee closing in this way. Yeah? So you want to just keep the way it is, the leg, and try just to open from the hip so the leg is kind of like more in écarté, and just place it in, it will come by itself. So you don't want to force to rotate, okay? Otherwise you start turning it this way, okay? You just want to push the leg the way it is to the alias gone to the position. Do you understand? So again, one more time, from the side, we're just pushing the leg and pushing behind you to keep the leg in the position. Don't shorten your leg when you do Rond de Jambe, which means don't go from here like this and then try to use the hips. Hips have to be very firm. Left supporting leg is you have to be very tall and strong, and only rotating and warming up that right hip and using it turn out. So leg goes again. E goes 1 and rond first. E2. E close. Another thing is very important when you do Rond de Jambe, you don't do chopping exercise. So when you go 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So leg has to be very relaxed in your hip. Relax. You don't want to tense those hips muscles here. Yeah? You tensed, again, I don't want to use the word tense. I want to use the word rotating and stretching. So you want to actually stand in a supporting leg pulled up, and the leg is just pretty much by itself mixing the salad. Yeah, you're mixing that beautiful salad that you just made. So it goes again, E1, E close, E1, E close. So this one is en dehors. Okay, now we're gonna do Rond de Jambe par terre en dedans, which is you go E plie and leg brushes back, E opens arms to the side to the second position. Do this one more time. E goes 1, E plie, E opens to the side. So ideally, when your arm's in the preparation, you don't really have to do allongé when you're doing en dedans. So from here, you automatically, your head goes E1, E brushes, stay on your supporting leg, E opens 1, E close, bum, 2. So as you can see, everything that we do start continuing, it's the part of the battement tendu. So the battement tendu is everywhere. As you can see, she's going round, and then she does the battement tendu, and she opens to the back, passing through the first, and she goes 1, and battement tendu. Now, very important, you see the hips should not move back and forward. She has to stay 90 degrees from the floor. So when she's tall, it's easier for that right leg to work around. So that's how we actually execute Rond de Jambe par terre on the floor.